The federal government gave Jackson County millions of dollars to fight the pandemic. But as COVID-19 rages on, that money will soon be gone.
I-Team reporter Jessica McMaster talked with local officials about what needs to happen if we're going to win the battle against the virus here at home.
So we've got to figure out what we're going to do post January 1, and that's going to affect not only Jackson County, but every city and county in the country.
$221 million provided to Jackson County to help fund schools, the health department, and cleaning supplies during the pandemic will soon be gone, says County Administrator Troy Schulte. The county has no choice but to spend it all.
We've got about $7.8 million that hasn't been designated to anybody specifically.
Schulte says the county is holding on to the nearly $8 million in hopes the federal government will nix its previous rule that requires the money be spent by the end of the year.
We're going to have to staff contact tracing, our health department, our testing clinics well until we get a vaccine broadly distributed.
Contact tracing, a vital tool in combating the pandemic.
That's a huge issue, is how do we keep, like those 65 contact tracers, theoretically, they're out of money on December 30th, but the job still has to be done.
Schulte's not the only one concerned about what the future holds if money runs dry.
We will pay a very high price.
Dr. Rex Archer says without contact tracers to alert people they've been exposed, COVID-19 will continue to spread.
It means that the outbreak will continue to grow at even higher rates.
With cases soaring, Dr. Archer says it's difficult for contact tracers to reach everybody, but once cases slow down, it's the best way to stop the pandemic.
The contact tracing is exactly what puts out the fires.
Both Archer and Schulte say we're at the mercy of Congress to either provide more money.
There are funds that could be coming down to relieve us after the last day or two of December.
Or give counties more time to spend the funds they already have.
If the Fed said, well, we'll give you more time to spend this money, then I immediately say that $8 million that we're worried about spending immediately goes into that money to keep paying our contact tracers.
I'm told aside from federal funds, there are additional funds from other resources that the county can use to get by in early 2021. In the past, the federal government has allowed emergency funds to be used past its expiration date. For now, we'll wait and see. In Kansas City, I'm Jessica McMaster, 41 Action News.
The state of Missouri has roughly $752 million to spend by the end of the year. This month, Governor Parson called on lawmakers to approve the spending.